Get in here. Listen, if you've been looking for a way to make money without needing a degree, without needing clients, and without having to sell anything, this might be exactly what you've been missing. There are people right now getting paid to drive around, take pictures of properties, fill out simple reports, and move on to the next stop. And before you think that sounds too simple, this is exactly how I and many others have paid bills, paid off debt, and even funded their startup costs for our businesses. This is called field inspections. And in this video, I'm breaking it all the way down step by step. So if you're starting from zero, you'll know exactly what to do. Let's go. Hey, I'm Amber. I'm a former teacher and school counselor turned entrepreneur. I built my businesses from scratch, and now I focus on scaling those businesses while also teaching others how to do the same. I use my background in education to break things down in a way that's simple, practical, and actually makes sense so you can take action without feeling overwhelmed. So if you're new to this, you're in the right place. All right, let's keep this simple, guys. Field inspections, what are they? They are exactly what they sound like. You're going to go into the field and inspect something, not to be confused with a home inspection. That is a totally different person. That is a totally different job. Most of the time, you are taking photos of a property or location, verifying if a property is occupied or vacant, checking the condition of a home or asset, and filling out a short report in an app or portal. That's it. You're not selling anything. You're not dealing with long appointments. You're following instructions, being detailed, and submitting your work. Some of the inspections that you'll come across include mortgage inspections, auto inspections, insurance inspections, property condition reports, and exterior occupancy checks. Now let's talk money. Most field inspections pay anywhere between $10 and $125 per inspection. Some are more detailed than others, and those can pay $40, $50 or even higher. Now, I am going to be real with you. If you do just one inspection, yes, this is going to feel like this isn't enough. Why am I even talking about this? Well, it'll make sense in a minute. But the people who make the money in this space understand one thing. This is a volume game. And that leads us to the strategy in my next clip. That's going to really change everything for those of you that are wanting to do field inspections to earn that extra income. All right, so let me put you on real quick. If you take one inspection, drive across town, and go back home, you're definitely doing it wrong. The goal is to batch your inspections. All right, this is the batch method. This means you're accepting multiple jobs in the same area. You're planning your route. You're knocking them out back to back. So instead of one inspection for $20, you're doing 6 to 10 inspections in one area. So let's do some simple math. 8 inspections times, let's say, $20 on the low end. That's $160. And guess what? You can definitely knock this out in just a couple of hours if you plan it right. And like I said, again, this is on the low end of the amount you can get paid per inspection. I want to make it clear again, all you're doing is taking pictures. This does not take a lot of time. This does not take a lot of brain power. That's how people are making this work with their time. So anytime you hear someone say field inspections doesn't pay, well, that's because they're not batching and they're not being strategic. Some of the reasons I see people struggling with this is because they are taking one job at a time. They're driving too far for one inspection and they're not planning. You just have to be strategic. Just like anything in life, just like any business plan, you have to be strategic. Yes, it was not going to be worth it if you take just one job for $35. But if you take 5 jobs in the same zip code for $35 to $40 each, well, there you have where it is definitely worth it, making hundreds of dollars in just a few hours. Now let's get into the steps. Step 1 is going to be, what do you need? You don't need anything fancy. A smartphone with a good camera, reliable transportation, internet access, and attention to detail. That's literally it. Step 2, a background check. Most companies will require a background check and sometimes a basic onboarding or training. This is normal because, again, you are going onto properties and handling reporting. So they do need to make sure that you're not a felon and that you're not going to go steal someone's property. Now to the good part, because I don't gatekeep. Step 3 is to sign up with companies. Do not sign up with just one company. You will want multiple streams of opportunities. So here are some solid, reputable companies to start with. We Go Look, Sophie, Proxy Picks, I View It, Sandcastle Field Services, photoinspections.com, and S2. Some of these have apps, some of these have portals. Sign up, complete your profile, and start checking for jobs daily. You can do this today. Now let's talk about how to get more jobs. When you're new, you may start with lower paying jobs, and that's okay. That's just like any job or any career that you're in. You're going to have to start somewhere because what you're doing is going to be building experience, speed, a reputation. Once you show that you complete jobs on time, submit clear photos, follow instructions, you can start getting more consistent work, being prioritized for jobs, even negotiating higher fees. Yes, they negotiate and will pay you higher if you show your value. If you're constantly late, turning in reports late, not submitting all the photos, submitting blurry photos, then you have no room to negotiate a higher fee or even complain about the fee. Again, you usually will have to earn the low fees first and earn your way up. Earn your way up, provide value. Consistency is what's going to get you paid. Being consistent and providing high value photos and complete reports is what's going to get you paid. I want to pause real quick because if you're listening to this and you're thinking, okay, I think I want to do this, but I need a little bit more structure. I actually have a field inspections workshop where I go deeper into step-by-step setup, more companies you can sign up with, how to maximize your routes, and how to turn this into a consistent income stream. So all you need to do is just check the link in the description and I'll get you fully set up. Now let's get back into it. Field inspections are great, but every area doesn't have the same volume. You have to be strategic with your driving. Some jobs are quick, some require more detail, but when you use this the right way, this can be a solid side hustle, a way to pay bills, a way to get out of debt, or a way to fund your business startup. That's why I say sign up with multiple companies. One company may not have a lot of work in your area while the other company does. So don't set yourself up for failure by only signing up for one or two companies when there's a massive amount of companies, hundreds of companies out there. If you got value from this video, make sure to like this and subscribe because I routinely like to break down real ways to build income streams and grow your business. And if you're serious about creating multiple streams of income and building something bigger, check out my other videos on this channel. Once again, I'm Amber from Grit to Growth, and I'll see you at the next one.